Here, and today I am hearing weird noises in this house. Now you're probably thinking maybe it's just upstairs. Now nobody lives upstairs, guys. Nobody. So I went over there, knocked on the door, and suddenly the door was open, so I came inside the house and knew everything was empty. I'll go check that out. God, what the heck? I hear sounds, bro. What is these sounds? Did somebody just walk by me? Oh my god. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, what am I gonna do? I'm hearing things. See what I mean? Did you hear that? Oh my god, I'm gonna go check out that room. Did you hear that? Oh my god, the door is like opening and closing. Oh my god! Stop! Oh my god! I'm laughing, I'm smiling right now, but seriously, I have never seen a door do that. Like, I'm just gonna get myself some snacks because I'm hungry. Oh, I'm scared. I need a flashlight. Okay. Let me turn on this light. Okay. Oh my god, the door is open this time. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! The light just turned off! Oh my god, what's going on? Guys, help me right now. Look! Okay, so I turned on the light. Something over here just opened. At first, over there, it was like... And then at first, it was like opening, and you guys heard those sounds, right? It was scary.
Taisha, I saw somebody like this.
Ooh, even my brother saw someone. You saw a spirit? Oh my god.
No, it's Charlie, Taisha.
I'm scared. I'm gonna turn off the light again. No, I don't want anything to notice. Oh my god. What was that sound? I'm gonna go in that room. Anyone here? I really don't want to get in there. Oh my god.
When the light turned off.
Okay guys, I hope you guys like this episode. I'll see you guys later. And bye.